How to fix Instagram hanging problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open settings, scroll down until you find here apps, click on it and then click apps again. Now once you're here, type Instagram and click on it, then click force stop, go to storage, clear cache, and now your problem must be fixed. But if you have an iPhone, just go to Play App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and then uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and then restart your phone, and I hope that can fix your problem. And if that doesn't fix it, then just go to settings, general, and then iPhone storage, select Instagram and click offload, and that's it. See you in the next video.